This has been happening for 2 million years. Before this place had a name, before anyone stood here and wondered what lay beneath their feet, this place has been breathing. This is Yellowstone National Park. Across this landscape, heat escapes in quiet ways. It rises through cracks, fills geothermal pools, and paints the ground with minerals carried upwards from below. Some places in Yellowstone feel less like scenery and more like a system. Water disappears underground, it builds pressure. The surface trembles, bubbles, and eventually, it exhales. To understand what's happening here, you have to look beneath the surface. 640,000 years ago, an eruption unlike anything witnessed in modern history reshaped this region. The ground collapsed into a vast caldera. This eruption immediately altered the surrounding landscape. Today, it's a system still releasing heat. This system is still finding its way to the surface, and when it does, the Earth itself seems to take one enormous breath. Here, water moves in another form. Instead of rising from geysers, the waters of the Yellowstone River drop into the canyon below and continues carving through volcanic rock. These cliffs are bright with color because hot water altered the stone, weakening it and changing its chemistry before the river exposed it. The canyon itself is a geothermal story, written into rock and carved by erosion. Time moves differently here. Some changes happen in seconds. Others, over thousands of years. During colder chapters of the park's history, glaciers formed vast valleys and redirected water across the plateau. When the ice retreated, life returned to a landscape shaped by fire, water, and ice. The animals that call Yellowstone home live inside a world shaped by geology. And that world keeps changing around them. Weather crosses with force. Time becomes visible as motion across the land. Then the storm passes. Winter is ending. Light returns. Life rises through soil that's been frozen, buried, and renewed again. The surface changes with each season. Below it, the system continues. Heat warms the ground, alters minerals, colors the water, and creates habitats found almost nowhere else. Pools hold impossible shades of blue. The closer you look, the harder it is to separate one part of Yellowstone from another. The caldera, the geysers, the canyons, the valleys, and the animals. These are all pieces of the same living system, a landscape shaped from below and above. Alive. Yellowstone is often described by what erupts from it, but its story is quieter than that. It's in the vapor before sunrise, in the colored stones of canyons, in the pools where heat and life meet at the surface. After millions of years, Yellowstone is still changing, still breathing.